question is, it is given that A and B complete a work in 30 days, B and C complete the same work in 24 days, C and A complete the work in 28 days. So based on this statement, which of the following conclusion is correct? First option is C is most efficient and B is the least efficient. Second option, B is most efficient but least efficient cannot be found. Option 3 is given C is most efficient but least efficient cannot be found, and the last option is C is most efficient and A is the least efficient. So we find, so it is given A and B complete a work in 30 days. So from this we can conclude that A or B, so one of AB can complete the same work in 30 into 2, that is in 60 days. So if anyone will do the work, it takes 60 days. Similarly, B or C can complete the work in 24 into 2, that is 48 days. So if anyone from B and C will do the job, it takes 48 days. And similarly, C or A takes 28 into 2, that is 56 days to complete the same work. So from this and this, so here B is present, B is present. So if we add this 60 plus 48 and divided by 2, so we get, if A work alone, it takes these days, that is 108 divided by 2, that is 54 days. Okay? So if A will do the job alone, then it takes 54 days. Similarly, from these two, here C is present, C is present. That is, if C will do the job alone, then it will take this 48 plus 56 divided by 2, that is 104 by 2, that is 52 days. And from this and this, from this and this, we get, if A will do the job alone, then it takes 60 plus 56 divided by 2, that is 116 divided by 2, that is 58 days. So we get, if, from here B, so it will be B. So we get, if A do the job alone, it takes 58 days. If C will do the job, it will take 52 days. And if B will do the job alone, then it takes 54 days. So C will take the less days. So C will be most efficient. And A takes 58 days, so more days. So it will be the least efficient. So C is the most efficient and A is the least efficient. So this option is correct option. Okay? So D is correct option.